Entering the big leagues, understanding a popular English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting phrase that you might have heard in movies, sports commentary, or even in business contexts, the big leagues. It's a phrase that packs ambition, achievement, and a bit of challenge, all rolled into one. If you're keen on expanding your English vocabulary and understanding cultural nuances, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the meaning and usage of the big leagues together. The term, the big leagues, originally comes from professional baseball in the United States, referring to the major leagues, which are the top-tier level of play. It's where the best players compete, and the stakes, competition, and rewards are much higher than in the minor leagues. When someone says they're in the big leagues, now, they're not necessarily talking about baseball. The phrase has transcended its sports origin to mean participating in any high-level or major league activity. It implies that one has moved up to a more competitive, prestigious, or challenging environment, regardless of the field. This could be a high-stakes business deal, reaching a significant milestone in one's career, or any situation where you're playing with the big players. Let's put the big leagues into context with some examples. After years of hard work, I've finally made it to the big leagues of the tech industry. This major project is your ticket to the big leagues. It's a chance to show what you're capable of. He realized he was in the big leagues when he saw the level of competition at the international conference. Understanding phrases like the big leagues is crucial not just for language proficiency but also for grasping the cultural aspirations and values they represent. It reflects a widely held belief in upward mobility, achievement, and the importance of striving for excellence. And there you have it, a closer look at the big leagues. Whether you're a sports fan, a business professional, or just someone who loves learning English, this phrase offers a glimpse into the ambitions that drive people to push their limits. We hope this video helps you not only in understanding the phrase but also in applying it to your conversations and aspirations. Keep learning, and perhaps one day, you'll find yourself in the big leagues of English language mastery.